Ever wondered what to do in Izmir, Turkey? Well, you're in for a treat. Imagine a place where the vibrant pulse of city life blends seamlessly with rich history and culture. That's Izmir for you, a gem nestled by the Aegean Sea. From the bustling Konak Square to the serene Kordon promenade, from ancient sites like Kadifal to modern marvels like the Asansor, Izmir has something for everyone. Stick around as we count down the top 10 must-see places in Izmir, the pearl of the Aegean. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we're diving right into the heart of Izmir with Konak Square and the iconic clock tower. This is more than just a meeting point for locals and tourists alike. It's a testament to the city's rich history and the enduring spirit of its people. The clock tower, or Saat Kulesi as locals call it, was built in the early 20th century, a gift from the German Emperor Wilhelm II to commemorate the 25th anniversary of Sultan Abdulhamid II's accession to the throne. With its intricate Ottoman architecture and the four fountains surrounding it, the tower is a sight to behold. As you stroll around Konak Square, indulge in the lively atmosphere filled with the sounds of bustling cafes, the aroma of street food, and the sight of the historical mosque and government buildings that paint a vivid picture of Izmir's past. A visit to Izmir is incomplete without a stop at this historic symbol. At number 9, immerse yourself in the lively Karalti Bazaar. A place where the old-world charm meets the bustling energy of a modern market, Karalti Bazaar is a spectacle to behold. This market is a labyrinth of narrow streets, filled to the brim with colorful stalls and energetic vendors. From traditional Turkish crafts to stunning pieces of jewelry, from fragrant spices to the most exquisite textiles, Karalti offers a cornucopia of treasures to discover. And let's not even get started on the food. The tantalizing aroma of fresh simit, a type of Turkish bread, mingles with the scent of succulent kebabs, sweet baklava, and strong Turkish tea, creating a gastronomic adventure that is as enticing as the market itself. Whether you're a seasoned haggler or a quiet observer, the vibrant atmosphere and diverse offerings of the Karalti Bazaar are sure to captivate your senses. A sensory feast, Karalti Bazaar is a shopper's paradise. Number 8 on our list is the picturesque Kordon Promenade. Imagine yourself strolling along a waterfront, gazing at the stunning views that stretch out before you. The azure Aegean Sea on one side, the vibrant cityscape on the other. The Kordon Promenade is truly a feast for the eyes. This lively promenade is the heart of Izmir, beating with an energy that's both exhilarating and soothing. You'll find people of all ages here, walking, cycling, or just soaking in the beauty of their surroundings. But the Kordon Promenade is not just about the views. It's a hub of activities, from open-air concerts to bustling street markets. You can savor local delicacies at the many food stalls or simply sit on a bench and watch the world go by. Whether you're a fan of leisurely walks, an enthusiast of vibrant street life, or a lover of stunning landscapes, the Kordon Promenade has something for everyone. The Kordon Promenade, where beauty and leisure walk hand in hand. Coming in at number 7, we have the majestic Kadifal. This fortress, whose name translates to Velvet Castle, is a testament to Izmir's rich past. It was built by Lysimachus, a general under Alexander the Great during the Hellenistic period, and has been a sentinel over the city ever since. Perched atop a hill, Kadifal's strategic location offers panoramic views of Izmir, making it a must-visit for anyone with an appreciation for breathtaking landscapes. From here you can gaze out upon the city's bustling streets, vibrant markets, and azure waters of the Aegean Sea, all in one sweeping glance. Over the centuries, Kadifal has seen empires rise and fall. Its weathered stones whisper tales of conquests, battles, and the ceaseless march of time. Every visitor leaves with a sense of awe, having experienced a piece of living history. Kadifal, where history gazes upon the city. Our number 6 spot takes us to the Agora Open-Air Museum. This place is a treasure trove of history, steeped in the ancient world. The Agora, which literally means a gathering place, was the heart of Izmir during the Roman and Byzantine periods. It was a bustling hub of commerce, politics, and social life. Imagine the lively conversations that took place here, the spirited debates and the exchange of ideas. This was the place where democracy was born and nurtured, where citizens gathered to discuss and decide on matters of the state. The Agora Open Air Museum is home to the remains of an ancient marketplace, a basilica and a stoa, which was a covered walkway or portico commonly for public use. Here you can almost hear the echoes of the past and the whispers of history. The Agora open-air museum is not just a museum, it's a journey back in time, allowing you to walk in the footsteps of the ancients. The Agora open-air museum, a journey back in time. At number 5, we have the intriguing Asansor. This historical elevator in Izmir is much more than a means of transportation. The Asansor, built in the 19th century, was a solution to a practical problem, how to move between the steep cliffside neighborhoods, but it quickly became a symbol of innovation and progress in the city. Over the years, this historical elevator has seen a fair share of ups and downs, quite literally. But its charm remains unscathed. Adorned with an antique facade, the Asansor takes you on a journey back in time, all while offering an impressive view of the city below. The elevator's top floor also houses a well-known restaurant, perfect for a meal with a view. So, you see, the Asansor is not just about the journey, it's also about the destination. The Asansor, a ride to remember. Number 4 on our list is the Izmir Archaeology Museum. Let's take a moment to marvel at the rich tapestry of history woven into the heart of Izmir. This museum is a treasure trove of artifacts and relics, each one narrating a unique tale from the past. As we navigate through the halls, we're greeted by an impressive collection from the Bronze Age to the Byzantine era. From intricate Hellenistic sculptures to Roman mosaics, the museum is a testament to the artistic prowess of the civilizations that once thrived here. The museum's collection doesn't just stop at art, it extends to domestic items, currency and tools, offering a holistic view of life in ancient times. The Izmir Archaeology Museum is not just a display of artifacts, it's a time machine that transports you back to the roots of this fascinating region. In essence, it's a place where history is not read, but experienced. The Izmir Archaeology Museum, where the past comes alive. Coming in at number 3, we have the vibrant Alsak District. This district is the very embodiment of Izmir's lively spirit and modern charm. As the sun sets, Alsak District unveils its true colors, transforming into a hub of dazzling nightlife. Here, you'll find a myriad of bars and clubs, each with its unique vibe, all set to make your evenings memorable. But Alsak is not just about the nightlife, it's a gastronomic paradise, housing some of the city's finest eateries. From traditional Turkish cuisine to international favorites, the restaurants in Alsak cater to every palate. So whether you're a foodie or simply looking to satiate your hunger, you're in for a treat. And let's not forget about shopping. With its stylish boutiques and quirky shops, Alsak is a haven for those with a penchant for retail therapy. From local crafts to high-end fashion, there's something for everyone. Alsak District, the heart of Izmir's modern pulse. Our number 2 spot goes to the Ataturk Museum. This isn't just a museum, but a tribute to the life and times of Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the founder and first president of modern Turkey. It's a treasure trove of history, nestled in the heart of Izmir. The museum is housed in a 3-story mansion, once the home of Ataturk himself. Every corner, every artifact whispers tales of a man who was larger than life. You'll find personal belongings, clothing and furniture, all preserved as they were during his lifetime. The museum also doubles as a time capsule, offering a glimpse into Turkey's transformation under Ataturk's leadership. It paints a vivid picture of the sweeping reforms he introduced, laying the groundwork for modern Turkey. Whether you're a history buff or just someone curious about the culture and heritage of Turkey, the Ataturk Museum is a must-visit. It's not just a museum, it's a journey through the pages of a nation's history. The Ataturk Museum, a tribute to a nation's hero. Finally, at number 1, we have the Izmir Wildlife Park. An oasis of biodiversity, this park is home to an impressive array of animal species from every corner of the globe. From the king of the jungle, the lion, to the graceful gazelle, the Wildlife Park is a testament to Izmir's commitment to conservation and biodiversity. The park's efforts go beyond just housing these beautiful creatures. They actively participate in conservation programs, ensuring the survival of endangered species and educating visitors on the importance of biodiversity. A walk through the park is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a lesson in environmental stewardship. And it's not just about observing. The park offers fun-filled family activities that make for unforgettable memories. From feeding the animals to adventure trails, there's something for everyone. It's a place where children's laughter echoes alongside the calls of exotic birds, where education meets fun. and where every visit contributes to a global cause. The Izmir Wildlife Park, where nature and adventure meet. That wraps up our countdown of the top 10 must-see places in Izmir. From the iconic Konak Square and Clock Tower to the bustling Karalti Bazaar, the peaceful Kordon Promenade, the historic Kadifal, the open-air Agora Museum, the unique Asansor, the enlightening Izmir Archaeology Museum, the vibrant Alsak District, the inspiring Ataturk Museum, and the wild Izmir Wildlife Park. Each offers a unique slice of Izmir's rich tapestry. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, Izmir has something for everyone. Until next time, safe travels.